Today's show is all about tart things. So pucker up, baby. Pucker up. Give Mama a big old kiss.
You look like you've been eating lemons.
Pucker up, y'all.
Bobby is going to be showing me, y'all, a delicious grilled salmon with key lime butter.
All right, son, what are you going to be making?
Well, I'm going to make salmon with key lime butter, and
Ooh.
I'm only using the butter because I'm cooking with you. I'm just kidding. But yeah, easy dish that is got a little bit of bite to it, like yours. I'm going to go ahead and cut 4 key limes because I'm going to need about 2 tablespoons of key lime juice for this. And I'm going to need about 5 tablespoons of butter, which is equivalent to about a half stick, a little bit more.
Yeah.
So I'm going to go ahead and squeeze these key limes in here with this half stick butter. Get it melting.
Okay. So how's your butter coming, son?
It's coming well. It's melting, and I moved on over to my fish here. I've got 4 6-ounce fillets of salmon. All I'm going to do is very simply just salt and pepper them lightly. All right, I've added a little pan coating to my grill here to make sure my fish doesn't stick. It's got a little dry seasoning on it, and I've got my key lime butter melting over here. And I'm just going to go ahead and just brush this fish with it real lightly while it's cooking. Rule of thumb with fish is about 3 minutes per side per inch of thickness. So if I've got a ½ inch thick piece of salmon here, I'm going to cook it maybe 2.5 minutes per side. I just want to make sure that I don't overcook it. In fact, a lot of people like their fish a little on the undercooked side.
Yes, especially tuna.
Right.
And a lot of people don't like their salmon completely cooked either.
It's beautiful.
And isn't that beautiful?
All right, my fish is getting pretty close here.
That looks really, really good. Y'all don't go anywhere because Bobby and I are in here in the kitchen today having a great time. Grab a plate, son, and we'll plate this. When we come back, we're going to taste it. You get ready to pucker up out there.
Looks good.
Okie doke, Bobby, it looks great. We're in here plating up this wonderful salmon, and we've got our yummy asparagus.
And some good old white rice.
In a citrus butter. Ooh, doesn't that look yummy? What a great meal to be able to get done in just a few minutes, y'all.
It's just so easy. There's nothing to it. Not very many ingredients. I mean, this is really the way that I like to cook.
Oh, Bobby.
I told you. I know. That's why it's my favorite thing to eat. Wow, that's good.
Bobby, you have cooked that salmon like perfectly. And the lemon, isn't that good on it? It's kind of
key lime.
Just a little bit of tart.
I love a little citrus on my fish. No matter how I'm cooking it, I love a little citrus on my fish. That is great.
It's out of this world.
That's great.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.